I just washed my hair. So I use 3 products. I use the TGIN Buttercream Daily Moisture. Then I use the Kinky-Curly Curling Custard. And then I use coconut oil. And we always need to have a spritz bottle. So anyways, let's get started. First, I divide my hair in half. And then I section off my hair into smaller bundles just to make sure the product is evenly distributed. And I spray my hair with water to make sure it's hydrated. And then I start to add the TGIN Daily Moisture. Now, if you see me looking around, it's because there's a fly in the room. Honestly, I'm very aggressive with my hair, or like other people's hair too. People tell me, but it's just beauty's pain. No, I'm joking. I'm trying to be more delicate. I see the fly again. Stupid idiot fly. It's so big, its body. Oh my gosh, do you see that? Probably don't. Where'd it go? There it is. Stupid fly. I hate bugs. I hate bugs! On to the other side, I do basically the same exact thing. First, I use the spray bottle to hydrate, then I rake the TGIN into my hair. You see that? Gross. Ew. So now that I'm done with the curling cream, I'm gonna add the custard, which is kind of like a gel-like substance. Well, it is a gel. It's a curling custard. And it just helps hold my hair, hold the curls in my hair. I don't put much. I pray it through. See this much on one side? Then rake it through the surface, mostly, and then I pray it, and I pray it. Okay, now that I'm done with the gel, I put the coconut oil to seal in the moisture, and plus my ends get dry. So I have to. A lot of people don't have to put oil, or don't want to put oil, or just don't, but you know, me, I got to. I gots to. And sometimes I put too much by accident and it gets all oily and gross and disgusting, especially in the summer, but I think I've perfected it at this point. I don't put much. Honestly, you guys might think it's much, but my hair needs it. So I put this much coconut oil. And then I just rake it through, mostly on the ends because that's what gets the driest. And I just, I curl or scrunch the endings with the coconut oil, mostly because That's what gets the driest. And the back. The back gets the driest too. So I just like to make sure that there's a lot of oil and moisture. Flip! I also add the coconut oil to my scalp because it gets dry as well. Now, I don't use a diffuser. I just air dry. And it usually takes about a day for it to fully dry. I'm talking if I start at 10 in the morning, it will dry most likely at 10 in the night. So, see you later. And there you have it. My curly hair routine. This routine obviously doesn't work for everyone, but if it looks like your hair is kind of similar to mine, you can try my routine out and let me know if it works. Thanks for watching Jacflytv. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see more hair videos like this, please leave a comment down below. Bye!